You wanna learn how to create black background like this one? Congratulations, you are at the right place. Hi, my name is Zayan and let's jump into the tutorial. I'm gonna use this image for this tutorial. First, we have to cut out the man. We got several options for this. We can use the lasso tool or the polygonal lasso tool. I personally prefer the polygonal lasso tool over the lasso tool. We also can use the quick selection tool. And the best option is to use the pen tool. Cutting out the man is time consuming, so I cut out him before. For this project we have to turn off the colors from this image. So we have to desaturate the image. Go to image, adjustment, hue saturation. Make the saturation go all the way down. Click OK. Now click Ctrl+T and increase the size of the image. Now click on solid color and select black as the solid color. Click OK. Now drag down the layer and place it behind the layer with the man. Now select the layer with the man, select gradient map, click on the gradient and select this one. Click OK. Now you can select the layer with the man, select curves and decrease brightness. Yeah, this much darkness is okay. Select the topmost layer and now select gradient from the list. Yeah, this one. Click on the gradient and select black to transparent gradient. Click OK. Now set the scale value around 130. No, we don't need to reverse this. Click OK. Now again select gradient. Set the angle 0 and set the scale around 500 or 550. Click OK. Now create a new layer above all other layers. Take a soft brush, take black as the foreground color and start painting over the edges. Don't paint too much. We just need to blend the edges with the background. Keep patience and paint over all the edges. Now this is done. We completed the tutorial and here is the final result. So if you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from this tutorial, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.